Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the difference between Calendly and Setmore. These two tools are both popular options for scheduling appointments online. So, if you're wondering which one is right for you, I'm going to help you decide. But before we get into the details, let's start with a question. What is the one thing that you hate most about scheduling appointments? Is it that you have to send back and forth emails to find a time that works for both you and the other person? Or maybe it's that you have to manually add appointments to your calendar. If you're like most people, then you probably hate at least one of these things. Well, that's where Calendly and Setmore come in. These tools can help you save time and hassle by automating your appointment scheduling process. What is Calendly? Calendly is a scheduling tool that allows you to create an online booking page. This page can be embedded on your website or shared via link. When someone visits your booking page, they can choose a time slot that works for them and book an appointment with you. What is Setmore? Setmore is a similar tool to Calendly. It also allows you to create an online booking page. However, Setmore also offers a number of additional features, such as the ability to create custom booking forms and send automated reminders to your clients. So, which tool is right for you? The answer to that question depends on your individual needs. If you're just looking for a simple way to schedule appointments online, then Calendly is a good option. However, if you need more features, such as the ability to create custom booking forms or send automated reminders, then Setmore may be a better choice. Here are some of the key differences between Calendly and Setmore. Features. Setmore offers more features than Calendly, such as the ability to create custom booking forms and send automated reminders. Pricing. Calendly is more expensive than Setmore. Ease of use. Calendly is easier to use than Setmore. In addition to the key differences listed above, there are also a few other things to consider when choosing between Calendly and Setmore. Your industry. Some industries may have specific needs that one tool or the other is better suited for. For example, if you're a therapist, you may want to use a tool that allows you to create custom booking forms for different types of therapy sessions. Your target audience. Some people may prefer one tool over the other based on its user interface or other features. Ultimately, the best way to decide which tool is right for you is to try them both out. You can sign up for free trials of both Calendly and Setmore. Once you've tried both tools, you can make a decision based on your own needs and preferences. I hope this video has helped you understand the difference between Calendly and Setmore. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're looking for a way to save time and hassle when scheduling appointments, I encourage you to give one of these tools a try. Thanks for watching.